By what? By specialized cell. Got it? Okay. Now let's see here. In fragmentation is the process of breaking of an organism into several pieces which are capable of growing into new individual. Okay. And regeneration.
Okay,
Regeneration is
understood.
you
Ma'am,
got
fragmentation is like it is kind of like what is that? Giving birth to a new individual. You can say, and regeneration is well,
not
to heal
birth
ourselves.
new individual.
Oh, okay. I thought it was for humans. That's why I told that.
Develop into new individual, and this new individual development is through mitosis. Okay, fragmentation. And in regeneration, development of the broken part. For example, in the case of lizard, you have lizard tail, right? If it is broken, what will happen? New tail will grow. Okay, that is regeneration. And regeneration requires specialized cells. Okay. Now this fragmentation
Okay, ma'am.
seen in invertebrates. Okay, invertebrates means they don't have
Okay,
that.
ma'am.
Okay. And in regeneration, it is present both in vertebrates and invertebrates. Both of them. And then this fragmentation, it is method of reproduction, asexual reproduction. Okay. And regeneration, it is the method of reproduction and also regeneration of the broken part. Here,
Okay.
broken fragments will produce new organism.
Okay.
And sometimes in the case of regeneration, what is happening? The
Uh,
separate cannot grow into new individual.
I know
Okay.
why.
In the case of lizard, do you see if you kill the lizard, I mean if you cut the lizard head, will it grow? No.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, why do you take such creepy examples?
Just telling as an example, you will remember this. Okay. So only in case of planaria, because it is very simple, it grows. Okay.
Ma'am, in case of
Planaria.
plan
This
area,
yeah, this
what?
platinum this one.
What is that?
It is simple organism. Okay. It is platinum.
Ma'am, ma'am, like there might be like any. Ma'am, is it common
Yeah,
for
what?
organic?
It is very simple organism and it has only simple eye. See dotted eye.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, does it live at microscopic level?
Yeah. It
That's not interesting then.
not microscopic level. It is bigger. Okay. You can see by plain eye also. Okay.
Seriously? Okay.
See, only in this case regeneration is
Ma'am,
happening.
the middle part, ma'am, how ma'am it can regenerate? The middle one, like it regenerate, how can it do that?
Yeah, it is regenerating.
Ma'am, the middle one also, ma'am, it can regenerate head as well as tail.
Yeah, because here no very simple organization. There's only no organ system, no what to tell, tissues. Okay, it is very simple. That's why
Ma'am, no organ, no tissue, then ma'am, how can it heal itself back?
it has cells, right? It has cells.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why it is living.
Ma'am, if you cut it into 4 or 5 parts, then also it will regenerate.
Yes.
Ma'am, infinity parts then?
What?
If you cut, sorry, if you cut it in like very small, like as small as it can be, which is visible, then it will regenerate from that small fragments also.
No, no. If you are talking about atom, no.
No, not that atom. I'm like if you, the end of the tail, okay, it's there, like very down, and if you cut a small part of it still, will it regenerate once again?
See here, this much part it will break. Yeah,
Yeah.
it can grow.
Yeah.
Here, this much part if it's breaking, it can grow.
My
And
God,
this
that's
much
so
part,
creepy organism.
yeah.
It's good that it's not a lizard.
Okay. If it happens in lizard, oh god. Next, uh, uh, yeah, fragmentation. This is more common in plants. Okay, fragmentation and regeneration. It is more common in animals. Next, where it is found, only found in certain organisms like Spirogyra. Okay, and here
What organism?
Pyrogyra.
Pyrogyra.
Ah,
Oh, Spyro. Okay.
Spirogyra. Okay. And we
Got
have
it.
here we have planaria and
Okay.
lizard.
Ma'am will be sending the notes after the class, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Now let's go for this tissue culture. What happens in tissue culture is we take some part of the plant, okay, like bud, stem tissue or root, small parts, okay, very small parts, and we grow it in synthetic medium, okay. Here, small part we cut it and we put it in synthetic medium in the petri dish. Okay, here the synthetic medium is provided. That means whatever is required for plant to grow. Okay, the nutrition, everything is provided in this petri dish. Okay, and then it starts to grow. Okay, and it grows and it multiplies and it becomes callus. Again, callus will continue to grow and it will form plantlets. This small plantlets, okay? And then we put it in soil. Okay. This is what we do in tissue culture. Got it? Remember, Shazam?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Next, let's see spore formation. This spore formation is usually done by fungi or fungi. Okay. So in this, they have this structure, this bag-like structure. Inside this, right, there is many spores present. Okay, and when it bursts, the spores will come out. Okay, and after it is coming out, the spores will wherever it finds soil or any moist area, it will fall in that, and new organism will be growing. New colony will grow. Okay, this is how it happens, and this cup-like structure is called sporangium. Okay, sporangium here. So if you put bread, right, bread in open space, and if it is moist after some few days, what will happen? You will find that there is some black spot in that, right? That is the growth of fungi. How it is happening? Through spore formation. Because in air there are many spores. So if it gets inside the bread, it starts to grow. Okay.
Uh,
Uh, Next, sexual reproduction.
Ma'am, once more can you explain sword formation?
Which one?
Oh, spore formation. Yeah.
Spore formation. Okay. In spore formation, what is there? The fungi have bag-like structure. Inside
Ma'am,
that,
what have?
spores are present. Bag-like
Ma'am,
structure.
ma'am, can you write the name of the organism?
Fungi.
Okay.
Example, rhizopus. Okay. So this bob-like structure, this bag-like structure is called sporangium, and it contains millions of spores, very tiny spores. When it bursts, what happens? It spreads in the air and in the surrounding. So it settles down in the soil. From there, new organism will form, and again it will form colony. Okay, got it? Shazan and Ria.
Yeah, ma'am,
Yes,
this time
ma'am.
got it.
Next, let's see sexual reproduction. So in sexual reproduction, there is involvement of two organisms. Okay, male and female. Okay, and here the formation of new organism takes long time. Okay, and in plant sexual reproduction and also in the human sexual reproduction, there is basic steps. Okay, two major processes. That is formation of gametes by meiosis. Okay, then fusion of gametes. These two are very important step. Okay, so
Okay,
the
ma'am.
will form male gamete, male will form female gamete, and through what meiosis, and after that both will fuse and they will form new organisms. Got it? Got it right? Now let's talk about um, sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Let's see the parts of flower. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
That's right.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you see here, this is stigma. Okay. No. First, let's talk about accessory parts like this colored part. This is petal. Okay. It works only for attraction. Okay. And this is sepal. This green part. Okay. Now here only it this green part. Okay. And here we have stigma, thigh, and ovary. These three parts constitute pistil. You can also call that as carpel. Pistil or carpel. These three are female reproductive part of the flower. And this filament and this anther. These two part is called stamen or male reproductive part. Okay, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In the anther only pollen grain will be formed. Inside the pollen grain, what does it have? Male gamete. Okay, and inside the ovary there is ovule, and in that ovule there is formation of female gamete ova. Okay, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anther, anther, what does it do? Pollen grain, male gamete, and ovary, female gamete. Okay, got it? So this male and female gamete, they should meet up, right? Then only the fusion will happen, right? So that meeting apart is done through the process of pollination. Okay, and there are two types of pollination: self-pollination and cross-pollination. Self-pollination, in flower, right? There are two types of flower, many types. Okay, you can say two types. If the flower, right, it has male and female part, both in a single flower. Hmm? That is bisexual flower. Okay, okay. And in some flower, there is only female part. Okay, or male part, either female or male part. Okay. Now here, this is bisexual flower. If pollen grain from the flower is transferred into stigma of the same flower, that is self-pollination or autogamy. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, this is flower A and this is flower B. Okay. Now, here, this anther of the flower B, uh, it releases pollen grain, and that pollen grain through the insect, right? Because insect fits here and it is dusted off, right? It carries the pollen grain. This insect carries the pollen grains and it goes to the flower B, and where it sits on the stigma of the flower. Okay. So this is what? Cross pollination. Okay. Xenogamy. The flower is of same species. Okay, but there is different type of flower. Okay, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is cross pollination. Then another type of self pollination is this: between two flowers of same plant. Between two flowers of same plant. Okay. Now this stigma, now this anther gives off pollen grain. Okay, and this insect will carry that pollen grain and go to the stigma of the next flower. Okay, so this is self pollination because this pollination is happening in the one plant, only here, same plant. Okay, but the flower is different, but the plant is same, right? So the genome is same. Okay, the genes are same. Okay, so this is called getonogram. Got it? Got it or not?
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
There are different methods of pollination. Okay, there are different agents. First, let's see. Here we have biotic and abiotic. Biotic and abiotic. Abiotic by wind or flower, wind or by water. Okay, and in biotic by animals, by insect, by birds, by bats, by ants and termites, by snail, by snake. So according to that, the names are given. Okay. This here is pollen grain, inside part of the pollen grain. Okay. Here we have outside part is called exine. Okay. Here there is protein. Okay. It helps the pollen grain to be safe. It protects the pollen grain from external environment because it is going to dry up or it is going to stick to the surface of an organism. Okay. So it has to be strong. From this generative cell only, male gametes arise. And this vegetative cell, it gives the nutrition to the generative cells. Okay, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is pollen grain formed?
Huh?
Where is pollen grain formed?
Ma'am, in the anchor.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, in the anchor.
Yes. So anther will contain millions of pollen grain. Short. Very tiny pollen grains. Okay. So now we have talked about the pollination. Now let's see the fertilization part. You see here the pollen grain will come, right? Then because stigma surface mostly it will be sticky. When it falls in the stigma, what will happen? There will be interaction between this ovary and this pollen grain. Okay, and due to this, what will happen? The pollen grain, right? It will form pollen tube. Okay, pollen tube, and that pollen tube will contain male gamete. Oh, okay, and this pollen tube will reach the ovule. Okay, see, this is the part of ovule. This is antipodal, and this 1 minute. I'll draw this here. This here is egg here. So this tree, this six are having plasma membrane. These two, they only have nucleus. Okay, got it? This is called synergics. Okay, this two, this and this is called synergics. Synergists and antipodal. Okay, they help in the transportation of male gametes. Okay, and pollen grain will contain what? Two male gametes. Two male gametes. Okay, two male gametes. And how it is reaching the ovule? It reaches by the pollen tube. One of the male gamete will fuse with egg. Okay. The other male gamete will fuse with polar nuclei. And this because here both the thing this is called fertilization. Okay, here and here also fertilization is happening, fusion. So it is called double fertilization. Okay, this forms endosperm, which help the growth of zygote. It provides nutrition to the zygote. The fusion of egg and sperm forms zygote. The fusion of male gametes and two polar nucleus forms endosperm. Okay, and this because there is three nucleus, right? That's why it is called triple fusion. This fusion is called triple fusion. And this fusion, this zygote formation is called syngamy. Okay, let me repeat. So, one of the male gamete will fuse with egg and it will form zygote. Right? Fertilization. That is the main fertilization. And this fertilization is called syngamy. Gamete formation. Sorry, not gamete formation, zygote formation. Okay? And the other male gamete will fuse with two polar nuclei, and this fusion is called triple fusion. and it forms endosperm. Got it? And because there is fertilization, right? 2 times fertilization is happening. That's why this whole process is called double fertilization. Got it, Priya and Farzan? Got it?
Hmm.
Simple, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Only in the flowering plants. Okay? Okay? Not in the humans, not in the pet, only in the flowering plants. Okay? This is the characteristic of the flowering plants or angiosperm. Flowering plants are also known as angiosperms. We have learned in 9th class. Got it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it, ma'am.
Okay.
So this is the whole thing, and this uh, zygote will develop into the seed, and this ovule will develop into the fruit. Okay. Okay. Now, if we plant, if it is planted, seed is planted with germination. If suitable condition is given, okay, new plants will form from that. Got it? Yes or no?
Ma'am, got it.
Okay. Mm, sexual reproduction in humans will do in next class. That is the last part, I think. No. We have reproductive health also. After that, this chapter will be over. And one more thing, I have to ask you guys, are you free on Sunday? No, Saturday. Saturday. Shazan and Ria.
Yes, ma'am.
What about Shazan? Shazan, turn on your camera.
Yeah.
Tell me, Shazan, are you free
What?
on Saturday?
What, ma'am?
Are you free on Saturday?
Saturday. Ma'am,
Mhm.
having exams from Monday. Exams are
Monday.
going to start from Monday, so I cannot give any exam on Saturday.
We have 2 more tests in LFP. I was planning to keep on Saturday test.
Ma'am, I cannot do it. Ma'am, can I take it on? Like, wait, today is so Tuesday.